Do you know many people are having trouble with faint printing on their Brother printers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Clean print head. Start by cleaning the print head. Access the printer's menu and select Maintenance or Ink to initiate the cleaning process, ensuring better print quality. Step 2. Check cartridge. Ensure the cyan cartridge is correctly installed. Remove the cartridge and reinsert it to make sure it fits snugly in the slot. Step 3. Test print. Run a test print to assess improvements. If the quality is still not satisfactory, consider replacing the cyan cartridge if necessary. Step 4. Set black ink. To use only black ink, adjust printer settings. Go to Printing Preferences and select Black and Amp, White or Grayscale. Step 5. Monitor ink. Keep an eye on the ink levels through the printer's display to maintain optimal performance while printing with black ink. By following these steps, your printer should now produce clear and vibrant prints. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.